size of this train. Makes visiting trains look really dinky. Please do not climb. Oh, I knew I was coming. It's just the size of the wheels, isn't it? Huh?
I wonder which train brought Prince Charles to Canal.
I imagine that we can find that out if we ask someone. Is that the driver's name on it, is it? Up there, can you see? Look at the crown at the front of it there. So is this like the first steam engine ever, is it? It's cool. How would they have transported that though? What can you see?
Not much. I don't know whether that's glass cabinets for storing historical things, or whether that's supposed to be like that. I don't know. Can't see what's inside it.
Oh, no trains running.
Wow, it's got a lot of junctions and stuff, doesn't it? Quite impressive. It's not just one basic circle.
No. Do you reckon it's...
You can have a whale over time.
Do you reckon it's the same, like, better sort of trains? Little trains?
Yeah. Well, that is just a basic circle. Like I said, this has got 3 tracks and it's got junctions.
Better's is not a basic circle, it's a loop-de-loop. It's a number 8 circuit, isn't it?
Yeah, but you can't go a different way, can you?
Yeah, you do. You do. You know when we watched The Crown? Yeah? She was in a train. I love these panels. It's this one. We were obsessed with train spotting. We stand for hours collecting locomotive numbers with other boys who did not know but who enjoyed the same thrill as an express approach to speed. That's not quite me yet. I do love trains.
Are sorted separately. As the train progresses, the names, scribbled in chalk over the pigeonholes, have to be changed. When a pigeonhole is filled, the letters are tied in a bundle. The bundles are put into the labelled bags hanging behind the sorters.
One million objects. Wowzers. This is amazing. Are these his original drawings? Makes sense, I guess. The last steam trains ran in 1968. The 17,000 steam locomotives that were on the railways were replaced by 5,200 diesel engines. Echa fi. Damiach dy'r diawel. Oh, there we are. Until 2002 when the pendolinos were introduced. Is that one of the pendolinos there, is it? Ah, nee. There. Shrapnel. Southern Way. That's a huge piece of metal, isn't it? Oh, I see, okay. Difference in the wheels. Yeah. So they're not spoked?
No.
Ah, clever. So you reckon this is Thomas, yeah?
I think so.
Yeah, I think you could be right. Although, I don't know. Is Thomas's sort of snout as large? What does LMS stand for? Built in Derby.
Manchester services.
Oh, could be.
It is a Liverpool to Manchester train.
Is it? Did you say Leicester?
If you read it.
I did read this, but I can't remember which one was which. Still a Huns, let's look. Huh? Not quite as pretty as one Chilinda though. Uh-huh. Mack truck, yeah. The post office train. It's like sort of daisy sort of idea. Even this bloody duck. I know it's got a world record, but it's still not the prettiest thing here. It's yours? Yeah. Huh? It is a train. What? Oh, okay.
So we should land. Here. That's where we were. That's station. We normally walk between there and there. Yeah.
Oh, right, okay, so we can develop something in the middle?
Yeah, does that make sense?
Yeah, somehow. Okay.
Fair enough. Good.
Yeah, be exciting when that's done. What are all these post-it notes? Rooftop bar. Yes, please.
Alistair and Margaret are here for the best view of the Minster. Flo is buying a Father's Day card at a gift shop. Harry is waiting for the tour of the museums. Dave is here for a nostalgic visit. He's brought his grandson to show him where he worked for 40 years. Cool. There we go.
Wow, some of these comments are harsh. You read them?
Yeah. Phillips.
That'll be cool.
Is it? Oh, we got
We've got different designs, yeah.
I see.
So this goes more towards sustainability and stuff, does this?
Yeah.
This train is humongous. Look at the size of this. Right, why is this train so big? Is this a train for here? I mean, is it
a war train maybe?
I don't know, it looks a bit pretty for a war train.
Yeah, but it's very...
Look at the size of these wheels, look! Are they tall? Are they taller than you? No, they're taller than me.
Everything's taller than you.
I'm not that short.
You're just well built.
I'm not that short. I'm about 5'2.5". In my opinion, this is the best train in the museum.